Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Kulkarni. I am a third year computer department student in Zeal Polytechnic, Nare, Pune. First, I introduce our group member name, Nitin Kumar Gond, and me Vinay Kulkarni and Prasad Gaikwad. First, our project topic name is Python program to illustrate list slicing in Python. Our project guide is Professor Pooja Narve ma'am. First thing to understand, what is slicing? Slicing is a feature that enables accessing part of sequence like string and lists, and you can also use to them to modify or delete the items of multiple sequences such as lists. Slice can also be applied on third-party object. In next slide, what list slicing in Python? List slicing is a common practice and it's the most used technique for programmers to solve efficient problems. To access a range of items in a list, you need to slice a list. One way to do this is to use the simple slicing operator. With this operator, one can specify where to start slicing, where to end, and specify the steps. Next slide will explain Prasad Gaikwad.
So good morning, students. My name is Gaikwad Prasad Bhimrao. I am from TYCOB and my group member is Nitin Kumar Gaur, Vinay Kulkarni and me. And our project guide is Pooja Narve ma'am. So today's I'm explaining the part of Python programming of illustrate of switching. So I'm explaining the next part of syntax of list switching. What is the syntax of list switching? List switching means list switching refers to the access a specific portion or a subset of the list for some operations while the original list remains unaffected. This switching operator in the Python can take three parameters, out of which two are optional depending at the requirements. So first is start, second is stop, and third is state. So the start parameter is mandatory parameter, whereas the stop and steps are both optional parameter. And second is the start response, the index from where the list switching is supposed to the begin. Third is the stop response, the last index up to which the list switching will go on. And fourth is the step represent the number of steps. Next is three-way of switching. So three-way of switching is starts. Three-way is by passing just the start or a stop parameter, by passing the starts and stop parameter, by passing the start, stop, and step parameter. So first is starts. Starts refers to the index of the elements, which is used as a start of our slice. Second is stop. Stop is referred to the index of the element we should stop just before to finish our slice. And third is step. Step allows you to take each nth element within a star stop range.
Hello everyone, my name is Nitin Kumar Gond. Today I am going to explain the part of coding. So in list slicing, we have created a list from 1 to 9 and we have printed the list. So I will run the code. So you can see the original list is printed from 1 to 9. In the syntax of list slicing, the syntax is like list name, start, stop, and step. Start means from where you have to start. Stop means till which number you have to stop, and steps, how many steps you get. Steps can be a number of steps, can be 0, -1, or till 10, 100, as much as you want. So we will write and code to print the numbers. So we will start with 3. 3 is our starting number. As you can see, the syntax is like start. So we'll start with 3. Stop from till where we have to stop. We will stop at 9. And how many steps? We will take for 2 steps. So in 3, First, I will run the code. As you can see, 4, 6, 8. So I will explain how this works. 4. In this code, it will start from 0. So 0 will consider as 1, 1 is considered as 2, and 3 is considered as 2, and 4 is considered as 3. So it will show as 3. And you can see 4, 6, and the difference is about 2 numbers. So you can see the steps. The steps is 2. So 4. So you can see that this is 4 number. From here you can take 2 steps, 1 and 2. It will land on 6. From here it will land on 8. So there is no number after 9. So it cannot take steps from 9. And we have given the stop sign at 9 only. So it can be not displayed at 9. So I will explain you another code. Print is. So if we have not written anything, it will consider as 0 or 1. It will consider as, here it will consider as 0, and it will consider as 1. So we have written only steps. It will take only 2 steps. You can see that from here it will start from 0. This is 0, and it will take only 2 steps. We have not declared the final step, means stop. You can see that 1 from here to next 2 steps will be 5, and here 2 steps will be 9, and so on. And another, if we don't give any number, let's see what happened. We don't give any numbers. It will display the all numbers. Yes, I think there is a mistake. Yes. So you can see that this is displaying all the 3 numbers. We have not specified the start and stop and even the step. It will display the all 3 numbers. So the conclusion of this project is slicing is an easy and simple method in Python. It offers a straightforward way to slice, and we can easily specify from where we can start the slicing, where we have to end, and where we have to, from how many steps we have to give to the slicing method. So I will stop the presentation over here. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.